your best friend. Cause human being, me not trust them. Original, we keep a gun as we best friend.
Yeah, peeps. So they are reinforcing the bulldozer blade. Well, then reasonably on point. Brush up the edge there. And I will show you the process, show you how the process of putting on the reinforcement plate. But for now, just show you how what's going on in the post. What advice, nothing good come easy, nothing good come easy. Everything is a sacrifice that you gotta make. Yeah, so I just dip on it on scrap. Make get the tripod, so I gotta try as much for. You don't know how it go. Yeah, so this process kind on here. Yeah, stay tuned. You don't know. Yep. Let's see. 4 speed. Pull the 4 speed, so I just gotta clean this up and then pull a and let's lead over this one. It's a bulldozer people. And if you know what a bulldozer does, then you don't know your welding gotta be on point. Boom. Ice baby outside. Yeah, see that? Cold up, smoke it. Oh, it's over like I feel it's over 8,000. I feel it's over 10,000 watts this generator pushing right about now. So what happening to the air cooler? It's literally smoking. But it's hot. Crap. Smoking it. Hot. Second bead. Boom. Yeah, peeps, there's the finish. Product of the reinforcement. Nice flat welding to the top. Okay, vertical, reasonable, nice. I'll do a reasonable vertical. foundation. How the work turned out. I'm finished at the moment in time. I just truck chassis for going to fix up. Yes. So that there, let's try a piece of reinforcement on them. Cover up the crack. You should hold it.
Yeah, my prefer keep a matic as my best friend. Cause human being, me not trust them. Original, we keep